Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Senthil and I'm going to be demonstrating the features of my Project0, or search from the course CS50's web programming in Python and JavaScript. So checking with the specification or the requirements, there must be 7 of them, and beginning with the first one, the pages. Your website should have at least 3 pages, one for Google search, one for Google image search, and one for Google advanced search. On the Google search page, there should be links in the upper right of the page to go to to image search or advanced search. On each of the other 2 pages, there should be link in the upper right to go back to Google search. So checking with that, the 3 pages is the Google search page, there's a Google image search page, and a Google advanced search page. And on the Google search page, the links for image search and advanced search on the upper right or the top right corner. And on the image search, there's a link back to Google search, and the advanced search, same, there's a link on the upper right to go back to the Google search page. Second requirement, query text. On the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and be taken to the Google search results for that page. Like Google's own, your search bar should be centered with rounded corners. The search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So we can see the search bar is rounded and the Google search button is beneath the search bar and centered. So typing in, for example, Harvard University and clicking the Google search button will be given the Google results of Harvard University. Query images. On the Google image search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for that page. So on image search, again the search bar is rounded with the image search button beneath and centered the search bar, below the search bar, and typing in, for example, Harvard University campus and clicking the image search button will be given the Google image results of Harvard University campus. Query Advanced. On the Google Advanced search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following 4 fields taken from Google's own advanced search options. The options are all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words. So checking with that, we can see the 4 fields are there, and we can be able to type in, for example, tree, color, rat, terrier, and the second one in quotes, rat, terrier. Then here, for example, miniature or standard, and none of these words, for example, rodent. So you can see we are able to type in the 4 fields. Appearance. Like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically and all the text fields should be left aligned. So you can see they're all left aligned, stacked vertically, and the search button is blue colored, blue colored with white text. So we can see it's blue colored with white text, and when we click on it, we will be given the Google advanced search results of the query we typed in. Then the next requirement is lucky. So I'm feeling lucky button. For example, uh, Harvard, and click on I'm feeling lucky button will be redirected to the Harvard University webpage or their homepage. And finally, the aesthetics. Your CSS you write should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. So yeah, looking at it, um, pretty much matches as Google's own page. Rounded search bar with buttons beneath and centered. So this is my project. Thank you.